Alright, I got a TPMS lights on a vent. So I just find out yesterday had the nails into the tire, so that's why low and pressure, and that's why the sensor went on. So I bought some Walmart, so they come with a kit repair, so you can keep it home, you know, to do repair. Yep, let's start it. If you do by hand, it takes forever. It's hard and hurt your hand so bad because the hole is small, and the tip is, you know, big, and plus this material, this tool is really thick and hard for yourself to squeeze in. I got some idea for you guys. Tie wraps. Okay, so let me show you how to do it. I just got some idea to make my job easier. So, okay, this tie rod, right? Tie wrap, right? So, one side, you do go inside the rims. Yep. And now the head, hook up from here. Okay. And then make sure they straight and don't damage your rims. Okay. Yep. See, that's about tight. So what you do is just see that they help a lot when you tie it in, squeeze it in. See that? See, make sure they straight this tool. So you see that it comes in. It's way better and easier. See that? So that's already all the way, like half of this in already. So, yep. So that easy, make yourself easier. You know, it cost 44 psi, that's the maximum, so between 30-35 should be okay. Perfect. So got it done. That's the nail. Alright, if you guys like it, give me a thumb up and subscribe below. I appreciate it. Thank you.